Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Shopify tutorial step by step.
If you're running a Shopify store and want to provide your customers with a seamless way to track their orders, adding a dedicated order tracking page is a game changer. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to set up an order tracking page using Parcel Panel, making your store look slick and keeping your customers happy and informed. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to head over to your Shopify admin. Start by clicking on Settings. This is your main hub for customizing how your store works behind the scenes. From there, navigate to Apps and Sales Channels. This is where Shopify keeps all the extra tools and integrations you can add to your store. So think of it as your app toolbox. Click on it, and then look for the App Store button. Now, this part's pretty straightforward, but don't rush. The App Store is vast, full of useful options, so take a moment to get comfortable with the navigation. Once you are in the App Store, head over to the search bar and type in Parcel Panel Order Tracking. Parcel Panel is a popular choice among Shopify sellers because it's reliable, easy to use, and gives your customers real-time shipping updates. When you see it pop up in the search results, give it a click to open the app's page. Before you install, you might want to glance over the ratings or any features listed there, just to confirm it fits your needs. Once you're confident, hit the Install button. Don't worry if Shopify prompts you for a few permissions. This is normal, as the app needs to connect with your orders and products to work properly. Click through those prompts and you'll be brought straight to the Parcel Panel dashboard. Now that you're inside Parcel Panel, look for the button or section inviting you to Add Tracking Page. This is where the real magic happens. Think of the tracking page as a bridge between you and your customers, a place where they can check the status of their order anytime, without having to email you or wait for a reply. Once you click to add a tracking page, you'll be asked to choose where it will live in your store's navigation. For maximum visibility, select Main Menu. This ensures that all your customers will see the tracking link at the top of your website, right alongside your home and shop pages. Next, the app will ask you to label the page. Here, enter something friendly and clear, like Track Your Order. These little details matter because they're what customers look for when they're wondering where their package is. Naming the page clearly also shows you care about making their experience smooth. After you've entered your preferred label, click Save. Parcel Panel will go to work creating a dedicated tracking page and updating your navigation menu for you. But we're not quite done yet. Head back to Online Store in your Shopify admin, then click Customize. This opens your storefront's theme editor, and you should now see the brand new Track Your Order page listed in the navigation. It's always a good idea to preview the page from a customer's perspective. Click around, make sure everything is displaying properly, and test how the tracking form works using a sample order number if you have one. That's it. The page is now live and ready for your customers to use. Adding an order tracking page isn't just a tech upgrade. It's a boost to your store's professionalism and helps reassure customers their orders are on the way. Little touches like this build trust and keep shoppers coming back. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more guides just like this. And if you have any questions or if you ran into any trouble setting up Parcel Panel, drop a comment below. I'm always happy to help out. Thanks for watching and best of luck with your Shopify store.